Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. There are 9 purple balls, 6 pink balls, and 16 blue balls in a bag. What is the probability of picking up one pink ball out of the bag without looking? Now we have total number of balls in the bag as 6 plus 9 plus 16, which is equal to 31. Therefore, what we can say is total number of outcomes is equal to 31. Now picking out a pink ball is our favorable outcome, and there are 6 possible ways we can pick out a pink ball. 6 possible ways to pick out a pink ball from the bag. Therefore, what we can say is, we can say number of favorable outcomes is equal to 6. Therefore, we know that probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So probability will be 6 divided by 31. So let's see. Yes, answer is option B.